Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking chicken wings in the oven. So let's begin. Right, so I've got my chicken wings here, which I've cut into, two pieces. And we'll grab a bowl and we'll add about 10 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll add a sprinkle of sweet paprika, a sprinkle or a teaspoon. We're going to add some black pepper, multicolored pepper in this case, some salt to your own liking, obviously. Then we'll add some thyme, if I can open it. Thyme is tomillo. There it is. So we'll add in let's see if this side is better. Yeah, that's better. We'll add in about, whatever you like, I'm going to add in just half a teaspoon, and also some oregano, half a teaspoon also. Remember, you can add as much as you want or as less. And some rosemary. Rosemary is romero and oregano is oregano. And I've got 3 garlic cloves which I've sliced up, so when they go also, let's grab a spoon or 2 and I'll just mix this in a bit. And what I'm going to do is turn the oven on. I'm going to preheat the oven. I'll put it up here, the temperatures, 220°C, which is 420 I think it is. It's up here anyway. So that's the oven preheating for about 15 minutes roughly. And in here I'm going to add in the chicken wings, and I'll just mix them about, so that they're all nicely coated. And in 15-20 minutes time, once the oven is hot, I'll chuck them in my oven dish with some paper. Don't have to put the paper, I just put the paper because that way it's easier to clean. So I'm just going to wait 15-20 minutes for the oven to heat up. And by the way, I'm going to be having the chicken, we're going to be eating them with some chips. Okay, so the oven is ready. So now I'm going to put these wings in here and just I'll spread them about evenly. That's nice. That's sorted, and these are ready. So what I'll do next is I'll chuck them in the oven, in the middle half of the oven, for half an hour. Okay, so half an hour has gone by. So I'll just turn these over. And then I'm going to put them back in the oven again but I'm going to turn the oven down to 200 C, which should be 390 F, and I'll whack them in for half an hour, another half an hour on a slower setting. These are smelling really nice. I think they look good also. What do you think? Anyway, what would you be eating these with if you made them? You know that I'm going to be making chips with them, and as soon as these go back in the oven, I'm going to start peeling the potatoes and making some chips. So in the oven it goes again. Way. And after half an hour, here's the result. Some gorgeous chicken wings cooked in the oven. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.